Hey people, what's up? Wagwan. Everybody good? You know it's time for another video, right? And this time we're making something that's, what do you say? Pretty much it's something that most Jamaicans will know and will probably like at least get a little smile about. So the cocktail we're making today is called Crystal Punch. Most Jamaicans, I'm pretty sure, have at least heard once or twice somebody, a friend or something, be like, you go to your friend and say to them, what you drinking? They'll be like, I drink some Crystal Punch, man. But Crystal Punch for us is just water. So I decided, why not make it into a cocktail? I mean, just about right? Alright, so just stay tuned and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. As for most cocktails, we'll start by adding some ice. And definitely note, for our cocktail we have to have some alcohol in it, right? So for this, we'll be using coconut rum firstly. An ounce and a half is, if you want to use 2 ounces, nobody's going to judge you. So 2 ounces should be good. Coconut rum. We're using half an ounce of peach schnapps. Now, the peach schnapps is just a little bit of flavor. You don't really want to use too much because it's kind of a strong flavor, at least. To me, it's kind of strong, so yeah. I don't want to really kill the taste of the cocktail. So we're just going to use a half an ounce of peach schnapps. You know, Jamaicans have been saying that coconut water goes straight to your heart, right? So, I mean, if you got it with some rum, nothing around, right? The other one should be good. Well, a dash of lime juice should be good. And you're gonna strain. Now, for some reason, this strainer don't really like me, so I'm not taking any chances. Yes. Finally work with me. Alright, cool. Alright, so to spice it up, we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of a grapefruit. Alright, listen. Yeah, man. Aight, man. Alright, people, so tell me what you think. It's a good look, or for the bartenders out there, have you guys ever created something similar, or first ever thinking about this? Or hey, if you have a similar recipe, share it in the comments. Why not? It's a good look.